had a little bit of a dilemma on lifting these up because I was thinking I'd just use cinder blocks. But the cinder blocks stick out a little bit farther. Right here it's okay because this has a big dent in it that way, so it's not sticking out real far. But if you look at how all the other ones would be, like this one right here, I don't like how it sticks out that far with sharp edges. So considering it's a kid playground, it just seems too dangerous to do that. So I thought about using these blocks under here. Because they'll hold it good. But I don't know if the jumping will press them into the ground too much or what will happen with that. I know with the cinder blocks, it's not going to press them in the ground too much. Or maybe I'll go buy some fatter ones that are a little bit wider. But you can tell by, it's been a year and a half since we put that in. See how much rust got on the legs down below on there. So it's probably a good thing I'm lifting them out of the sand, because having them buried in the sand just rusted the bottom of those legs. So I'd say within 2 years those legs would have crumbled apart anyway. So I just have to decide if these ones will be good enough for it. They'll probably work okay. Alright, so as you can see, I got more of the road put back together, filled in the trench from here all the way up to there, and I got more of the dirt down here, so I made my road bigger so we can begin to make this road wider. I've still got to put in a little bit more dirt, almost out to that tree over there, so I can widen this road, because this will be the road that will go out to the cabin. So I've got to finish filling dirt in this way, get some hard pack. What we got there now is just loam soil, so it doesn't pack very good. So I've got that part down, but little by little I'm moving the dirt down, leveling this out so that it's a little bit nicer. So you can drive the car all the way around it now without any issues. And that is pretty much it for the projects that we've got going on for today. For this weekend anyway. Still lots to do up here. My goal for the next time is to get the sawmill up and running, because I gotta chop down the trees that fell over the top of it, plus I gotta put some legs on it. I bought some new legs so I can lift it off the ground a little bit more. Not much, it's only this much, this high, but enough to give it a little bit more stability. So I'm gonna do that and then finish moving some dirt over here. Mostly I need to be chopping down a lot of trees, but I have to get my sawmill done so I can chop that into lumber, so I don't have a lot of logs just sitting around rotting or something like that. So anyway, that is it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode of Sticky Situation. We're still missing about 40 springs for the trampoline, so I'm going to order those this week, and hopefully you can put those on this next weekend and get it done so the kids can ignore it completely because it's not new and novel. It's funny how when I build something, the kids are on it every single minute of every day for like 3 weeks. And then after that, they just wander off to something new. And then it's boring for them again. So I have to go build something new so they will be excited about that. So I don't know what, maybe the next thing we build is a pool or something up here so they can play in that all day and have fun. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, thanks for coming along on this journey, my friends. And if you enjoyed it, give us a like, and as always, subscribe so you can get more of my content if it interests you. And leave any comments down below if you have any questions about anything. And thanks for coming around, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.